This is another classic two-stroke. I'm having a little, ouch, in my side pocket. Don't leave anything sharp in your side pocket. Man, I felt like someone just straight stabbed me. I didn't even need to choke, so that's telling me something. I might have too much fuel. See all that fuel or oil? It smells more like two-stroke. I'm just hoping that my 2T pump is not leaking. Turn off the fuel. Disconnect this guy. Why is the fuel coming out? Yeah. Get the screw up in there. It's not a two-stroke, right? Oil. I'm using Veil Oil, Thai oil company. The owner is actually pretty nice. Got a chance to meet her. That's all there is to it. I'll save this one. I want to bend the needle. That's torn. This thing is all brittle. Probably a lot of fuels coming through here, or oil. I have a feeling it's flooded. Let's crack this open. Looks a bit high. I'll take a good look at the needle. The needle seat. Make sure it's not leaking. And we'll check that later. Because you can have too big of a pilot. Now I'm not gonna go and change all this stuff yet. I'll do the basic first. Probably just end up blowing them out. Because I'm not having any running issue. I'm just having starting issue after a day or two or more when it's parked. And I, a lot of times, don't even have to use a choke. So I have a feeling that I'm getting way too much fuel in the bowl. So what I'll do is I will adjust this tab just a bit. Now this goes up this way on the carburetor, and I will be bending the tab to close the fuel up just a little bit sooner. So let's say you can see this here, the tab is here, right? Let's say the fuel comes up and it's boom. The level's too high, I'll bend the tab up so it'll close sooner, so the flow will be a little bit lower. Okay, again, I'm showing you in exaggeration here to make it easier to see. Hopefully that makes sense. And I'll show you again because I'm not sure if it was focused earlier. This tab, what I was saying was, it's up this way, right? Onto the carburetor. And when the fuel level is correct, the tab is a little, I would say it's a bit low. It's allowing too much fuel to be in the float bowl. So I'll bend that tab up just to have it close sooner. And let's say it was here, it should be around here. Okay, and the fuel should be, the tab should be forcing the needle to close up. And any fancy tool. Of course, if you have a nice adjustment, measurement tool, that'd be awesome. I'll just bend this up and again, make sure you're bending it up the correct way. I'm gonna bend it up this way. There we go. Good, then I can see it moving. Alright, so we'll do that and we'll install this thing. But then, like I said, I could have too big of a pilot because I don't have to pull the choke, or even possibly too big of a main jet. But because the bike rides really good, I don't want to mess with that, so I'll just go blow this out. And this needle, I could check, I want to check, make sure that it's not leaking. And what I was going to do is I will show you how easy it is to check. Make sure it's not binding, it's moving freely. Right. What I'll do is I'll open it up, and you should get fuel coming out, boom, right? And close it up, there it is. Okay, so I'll make sure that I could be a bit too much, What I'll do is I'll remove it and then I'll bend it just a bit. Push that back down just a tad, just a bit. I'll just eye it. Yeah, that's good. It's not even much, but now I'm gonna throw this back on. Make sure you can hear the floats moving. So that's all there is. Open up the petcock. It's not overflowing. Now we're going to start it up. I'm going to back you up. Oh, one kick. I'm going to take it for a quick spin. So I'll do that and I'll see you on the next video.